Hello crafty friends! Welcome back to my channel, and we're making today another card using the super adorable Make It a Bake It collection designed by Tina Smith for Spellbinders. So today I'm going to use one of the sentences from the stamp set and the embossing folder. I don't remember the name now, but I will list both below. And I'm just gonna do some partial embossing on a panel where I already stamped my sentiment back already with the magic of editing. And this time I used the deboss part that is gives this very interesting feel. I meant to, my idea was to color it, but then I changed my mind. I left it in white. And I cut already the cookie jar from this die set. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of ink blending. So I'm gonna start with the cookies top layer. They come with two different layers. And very lightly, I'm just gonna color them with a bit of vintage photo. So super, super quick. And I tried not to go exactly perfect. I'm trying to get some certain part a bit darker than others. Then I'm gonna use the same brush to give a tiny bit of color to my cookie jar. And I'm gonna come back to that with some yellow. So a little bit of vintage photo first, especially around the edges, just to give a bit of shadow on the side, just look a bit more dimensional. And then using a lot more color, I'm just gonna go over my bottom layer of my cookies. So this one, basically the top layer has got some little holes, so it's gonna look like a chocolate chips. It's very clever and super easy. Okay, that's done. And now I'm gonna grab my yellow brush, and I'm gonna go on top of the jar lid and color it in yellow, and then I'm gonna go back on my cookie jar and give a bit of yellow there as well. Add a little bit of yellow. And again, I'm gonna come back with a bit of Tether Rose. So I'll try to get the feel of um, ceramic cookie jar, and not terracotta, but something similar. There you go. So very, very light. So this one is going to be a super quick and very, very simple card. Just a couple of glue dots at the back of the cookie. And I'm just going to layer my chocolate chips on top. And this is the result. A lovely chocolate chips cookie. Super quick. I'm gonna speed up this process. So we have a very, very quick cookie assembly. There you go. Now I try to find the position for all my cookies. And that's it. I already glued down everything. Maybe I should have given the jar a different color. I think it's a bit too similar to the cookie color, but never mind. Now I'm just gonna round the top corner of my panel There you go. And I'm gonna around the top corner of this yellow panel as well. That's gonna be my little matte panel. So I'm just gonna, it's larger than my embossed one. So it's gonna have a nice little yellow border all around. Sorry, I'm whispering a little bit because it's quite late at night. I'm preparing the voiceover for this video. I'm gonna let it dry under a bit of a heavy blocks, and as a final touch, I'm just gonna add a couple of lines with my white gel pen. So it's I think it gives more the feel of ceramic, hopefully. It's not super evident in this with these colors, but and from the video, but hopefully you can see it on the picture a bit better. And that's it, ready to be attached to a card base. And thank you so much for watching and for this very quick, easy card. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
In a world that moves too fast, I find peace in the paper and the past. With every cut, with every fold, a little piece of my heart takes hold. Spellbinders take me home to the colors, the layers, the glitter and gold.